Hello and welcome back to our channel guys. And today we are talking about Manchester City's frustrating 0-0 draw against Inter Milan in the Champions League opener. Yup, it's a repeat of the 2023 final. City just couldn't find the back of the net while Inter walked away with a point and plenty of confidence. So before we dive in, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell icon for all the latest football updates. Now let's get into the action. Manchester City head coach Pep Guardiola played this game with a 3-2-4-1 formation in which he started Ederson at goal. Akanji, Ruben Dias and Gvardiol were the three centre backs. Rico Lewis and Rodri played this game as a central defensive midfielders. Kevin De Bruyne and Bernardo Silva played this game as a central attacking midfielders. Savio played this game as a right attacking midfielder. Grealish played this game as a left attacking midfielder. And Erling Braut Haaland played this game as a centre forward. While Inter Milan head coach Simone Inzaghi played this game with a 3-5-2 formation in which he started Jan Sommer at goal. Basic, Acerbi and Bastoni were the three centre backs. In midfield, Hakan Çalhanoğlu played this game alongside Nicolo Barella, Zielinski, Darmian and Augusto. While in attack, Mehdi Taremi started his game alongside Marcos Thuram. So guys, right from the start, it was clear that Inter came prepared to frustrate Manchester City. Simone Inzaghi's men were solid defensively and City couldn't break through. We have seen Manchester City dominate possession before, but this was one of those games where they struggled to create clear-cut chances. Inter on the other hand looked dangerous on the counter. Marcos Thuram was a real threat, but they just couldn't finish their chances. City had a few bright moments with Phil Foden and Ilkay Gundogan off the bench, but let's be honest, it was a frustrating night for Pep Guardiola's side, and with Kevin De Bruyne going off at halftime with a possible injury, it doesn't look great heading into the weekend. Now let's talk about Erling Braut Haaland. I know he's been a goal machine, but this game wasn't his finest hour. Haaland's been in a ridiculous form this season, but it feels like in these bigger, more tactical games, he struggles to get into the rhythm. Sure, he is sitting on 99 goals in 104 games for City, which is incredible, but last night he was isolated and his impact was minimal. It is something we have seen before. If you cut off the supply to Haaland, he starts to drift out of games. And credit to Inter's backline who made sure he didn't get the service he thrives on. He's still got time to break Ronaldo's record, but for now it feels like Haaland's goal come easier against lesser opposition than in these high stakes tactical battles. So that's all for today guys. What did you think of this City's performance? And do you think Haaland can step up in these big matches moving forward? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. See you until next time. Thank you.